Good afternoon, everyone. Just got this 1971 Pontiac Firebird in from Florida. Nice red paint on the exterior. A couple different touches, like the Snowflake gold wheels were added. Car's not a real Formula 400, but it is tagged on the fender like it is, but it's not. It's just a plain 71 rare Firebird. That's all she is. But paint is really nice all around the car. As you can see, the radial TA BFG tires. They custom painted the rear bumper black just to give it a little custom look to it. This is how we got the car. We didn't do it. So if you don't have, if you don't like it, we can swap it out with a chrome bumper and install it. It's not a big deal, but it does look pretty cool. Continuing on the passenger side all the way down. Exterior is nice. As you know that these are notorious for cracking in the front bumper, and this one doesn't have anything like that. Cool hood, isn't it? Formula hood. Yeah. Getting a little bit closer to the paint. Look at the finish on it. It's a mirror finish. All the way throughout. Okay, there's not a scratch. Okay, so far everything looks good, right? All the way down here around the spoiler. Look at that reflection. Back here looks good. This is where you put the fuel. All right, that's where you open up your trunk right there. Trunk is very solid, and I'll show you that as well. Passenger side paint looks really good all around the car. It's not a perfect car, but it's a nice car, okay? Especially for the money. Continuing there, okay, all right. So, look at the roof line here, right? Let me grab the key. I want to show you guys how solid the trunk is. Oops. Okay, that's a little better. Very solid in here. Weather stripping looks good. Check out underneath how clean. Dual exhaust, 10-bolt rear end. Look how clean it looks. All right. The other side looks just as good as well. Front power disc. It is a 400 cubic inch motor with power steering. Don't know the year of the motor. I don't care. It's not a numbers matching car, I don't think. And we're not advertising it as it is. So it's just a nice Pontiac 400. Nice door panels. Lips look great. Rockers are nice. Original door sill plates. This is just a little gunk right there. Outer door jambs look good. Back seat is original. There is some cracking in the back seat right there. And then on top there, okay, right in front of the 6x9s. Headliner there. Dome light doesn't work. Sun visors are there, no rear view mirror, which I'm going to go over a couple things. Fires up really nice. I want you to hear the exhaust. Sound nice. Car showing 110,360 miles. The motor feels like it's been rebuilt. It does have power to it. It's not a sluggish motor. Okay, but there are a list of things that I want to go over with you guys, okay, that need some attention. And I'm selling the car in as-is condition. So no turn signals, no wipers, no horn, no heat. Voltsgate doesn't work. E-brake is broken. It needs a latch. Center console is a little crooked. No radio, no rearview mirror, no speedo. Brakes are shot. Okay, but we did pump them out, and they do feel better now. And then no fuel gauge. So again, I'm not fixing these items. I want you to know about these items. Okay, I'm selling the car in as-is condition. If you want us to fix those items, we can for an additional cost. Okay, now I'm gonna mount the camera. Let's go for a ride. All right, so I mean, it is a nice car. Someone did start the restoration, you know, for you know, to get it to run and drive very well. And the brakes do feel better, by the way, now. But I do nitpick my own cars. Okay, this one has a lot of potential. You can drive it, go to the car shows right now while you're fixing the items that I pointed out to you guys, or you know, we can fix it for you, like I mentioned earlier. But again, 71 Firebird, hard to find, especially with nice paints. And the foundation of this car, the platform underneath it, the suspension feels nice and tight on the car. The handling is nice on the car. It's not sloppy, it's not loose. It's got some power too. It does smoke the tires when you want them. You know, it's not going to smoke them through all the gears, but it's going to smoke them when you want them. So I like going on the freeway to show you guys the car goes through all the gears. Pressure, which is great. Original interior, I mean, for it being 49 years old, it's in nice condition. Drive straight down the expressway. Sounds good. Overheating problems. I'm sure the radial works. I just don't know how to turn it on. So, but I just didn't want to assume, because I'm not really good with radios. So if you need financing, that's fine. Gotta have at least a 650 credit score. If you need delivery, text me, email me, call me with your zip code. I'll get you a free quote. All of our deliveries are insured to your doorstep. We got dual sport mirrors. All the windows roll up nice and smooth, nice and easy. Nice bucket seats. Factory center console. So you can see the rest of the photos on the car at mgmclassiccars.com. I posted a lot of them there. Insurance for these classics are not that much. I'm sure they're under, well, I know they're under $1,000 a year through a couple different places, like State Farm does it classic cars, Haggerty does classic cars, Grundy does classic cars. So those are some of the avenues that you can look into as well. Interest rates are good. If you have a credit score between 650 and 725, right around there, You're going to need about 10% down. Anything over that, I can get you done most likely with no money down, if you wanted that option as well. Any upgrades that you're looking for, if you wanted to upgrade the car with air conditioning, we can do that for an additional $1,800. If you are, sorry about that, I had a phone call come in. If you want LED lights, we can do that. HID LEDs front and back. We can do the inside, you know, in a red color maybe or something. If you want different wheels, we can do that. So we can option out your car the way you like it as well. The most important thing is the foundation, the bones of this car are really good and solid. All the other stuff is really minor. So we're located in Addison, Illinois. You can see all my photos once again at mgmclassiccars.com, and we do ship worldwide as well. I've delivered cars to Europe and South America throughout my career. So I'm ready to pull up here at the warehouse. And what I'll do is I'll do one more walk around really quick, and then you guys can make up your minds if this is the car for you or not.